SolidWorks Electrical 2014 introduces many new enhancements to streamline tedious or time-consuming tasks and speed up the conception of electrical systems in 3D. SolidWorks Electrical has many powerful and unique capabilities. You can easily and almost automatically route all the wires and cables in your assemblies, thus automating what used to be a long and repetitive process. However, you can now, in SolidWorks 2014, wire the entire panel in just a couple of seconds thanks to a new calculation method that takes advantages of multi-core processors to cut down the time needed by 5 to 8 times. This allows you to get your project done faster and helps reduce the time spent by mechanical or electrical engineer creating design variation or optimizing their electrical system. SolidWorks Electrical 2014 also enables you to create 3D harnesses and accurate and up-to-date engineering drawings from start to finish with minimum effort. With the harness already created in SolidWorks Electrical schematic, all is left to do is insert the connectors, which can now be assembly connectors with pins, seal, backing cover, or mounting screws, for example, and heat root harnesses. After selecting the right one, the harness is now properly routed, with all the connectors automatically added to the correct harness subassembly. All the individual wires are represented using the color and size defined in the schematic and connected to the appropriate terminals for each single connector. Clips and covering can also be added and are now perfectly supported when flattening the harness. Once the clip is added to the harness, you can reroute part of the wires or cable through the cable holder using its dedicated command. The covering, on the other hand, is applied just as easily by selecting the proper segments. Then, like any other harness designed inside SolidWorks and without additional steps or workaround, you can directly create a flattened representation and generate the relevant drawings. In fact, in just a couple of clicks, you can go from a multi-line diagram in SolidWorks Electrical schematic to a complete drawing with connector tables, a bill of materials, and a circuit summary. Simply select the method, annotation, or manufacturer and modify, if necessary, the drawings option or items you want displayed. You can edit the flattened route to make some changes, spread more the connectors, and get exactly the result you're looking for using the different tools available. The modifications are instantly propagated. The drawing includes all the electrical tables, a complete circuit summary, and new in SolidWorks 2014, the pins are colored when displaying the connector blocks for added clarity, and the clip and covering are correctly flattened. The pin colors are also listed in the connector tables. SolidWorks Electrical 2014 helps you integrate electrical routed systems faster with significant performance improvements and new functionalities that simplify your workflows and reduce the time it takes to complete your design.